Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2019 on a 19 plate Audi Q5 Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro in Ibis White. Now, as this is an approved used vehicle, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. To start off with, let's take a full 360-degree tour around this stunning Q5. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright LED headlights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. May I also add that the flashing is simply due to the camera frame rate. Then looking down at these alloy wheels, these are the stunning 20-inch 5-arm rotor design alloy wheels, and they really stand out against the stunning white paintwork. We do have on this vehicle the privacy glass, perfect for protecting those in the back from the sun and also any items you have in the back from view. And we also have as well the roof rails, which are perfect for carrying things such as roof boxes or a bike. Now looking in the back, we've got 3 spacious seats. Both of the outer seats come with ISOFIX points, perfect for a family vehicle. Then looking down here, we do also have the third climate control zone in the back, alongside a 12-volt socket, perfect for plugging in any accessories in the rear. Heading round to the rear, we have the LED rear lights with the dynamic rear indicators, which as well as looking really stylish, are really functional and mean that you remain visible at all times. This vehicle does come equipped with the electrically operated tailgate, and once inside you can see there's plenty of space in there for that weekly shop, and you can also get those golf clubs in there. And once the rear seats are folded, you can get larger items in there such as a bike. We do have as well this very convenient load space cover, which protects any items you have in the back from view. Now the quick press of the button, that tailgate closes quietly and efficiently, and then walking down to the side of the vehicle and taking a look inside, you can see that there are plenty of high quality materials on display. So we do have this stunning gloss black piano finish trim around the vehicle, which really stands out against the black interior. And then looking to the side, we have these Alcantara and a leather combination seats with the S embossing. They're really comfortable, really supportive, especially on those long drives. They do have the under thigh support, and they do also have as well the electric lumbar support. Perfect for those with back issues or just to make your life a little bit more comfortable. So that completes our initial 360-degree walk around of this 2019 Audi Q5. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this Q5 and some of the technology on offer in this stunning SUV. So we do have the electrically operated power folding and heated door mirrors, which are perfect for those cold winter mornings, and the power folding element is great for those tight parking spaces. We also have this 3-spoke leather-wrapped multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. So on the left, we've got the controls for the screen in between those 2 analog dials in front of you. And sat behind that, we've got our downshift paddle for the S-tronic gearbox, perfect for those sporty drives. Underneath that, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, which is great on those longer drives and just makes it that little bit more relaxing. Also means you won't get a speeding ticket despite the punchy 40 TDI engine. On the right then, we've got our radio controls as well as our voice control and our nav button control there. And then behind that, we do have our upshift also for that S-tronic gearbox. So we have this large digital screen here in between these 2 analog dials, which portrays several things such as radio stations. You can have a look at your phone connectivity. You can also have a look at some of your navigation data as well as some of the vehicle settings as well. Then looking over to the central infotainment screen, this is controlled via a wheel down near the gear selector, and you can look at things such as your Audi smartphone, so you can connect your car to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which is perfect for using things such as Spotify, and it just means you don't have to take your eyes off the road while you're using it, and it's a more familiar setup. We also have our map screen there, which is connected to our navigation, so home is never far away. You can also pre-save your favourite destinations there as well. We've got our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We also have our media via Bluetooth or USB. We've got our radio there. We've got a long list of digital audio broadcasting radio stations, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. And then if we look into our car setting, we've got Audi's famous Drive Select. So if you want to go for an economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you're fancying more of a spirited drive, you can put the vehicle in dynamic mode. Or you can choose the settings for yourself in individual and select the engine, gearbox and the steering settings. So it makes it feel exactly how you want to. We do also have as well the front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, perfect for any obstacle detection around the vehicle, and this just makes it that little bit easier to park. Looking down then, we've got our front controls for the 3-zone climate control, which means that the rear can be a different temperature to those in the front, and the 2 passengers in the front can be completely different temperatures to one another. And we do have as well the heated front seats, perfect for those chilly winter mornings on those drives to work. We've got a 12-volt socket and a USB port there, perfect for plugging in any accessories and charging those mobile phones. Then this is our controller here for that central infotainment screen. You've got some pre-selected options there, which make it very simple to use. We've got our swivel wheel here, which controls left and right through the different menus, and we also have our 8 pre-selected options there. So just over to the left, we have our volume control, as well as our seek track and our button there to push off the entire radio system. So if you don't want any sound on it, you just want to be in peace, that's very easy to do. Then we've got the controls here for the S-tronic gearbox, so you can knock it over into manual mode for that truly sporty driving feel, or you can pop it into reverse, and then you get your front and rear parking sensors come up at the same time. We've got twin cup holders there. We've also got a sliding centre armrest, which can be fixed at several different height positions, meaning it's very easy to find that perfect driving position. And then underneath that, we've got plenty of storage space for your wallet or keys, which you wish to remain hidden from view. And then we also have there a second USB socket alongside an auxiliary port, perfect once again for your mobile devices. So that completes our walk around today of this 2019 approved used Audi Q5. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as an approved used vehicle, this car does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.